This is Ngcobo 1010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Skuna United 3. My brother, how's it?
Sharp. Nabuwile.
Yeah.
As expected. Aye, ziyakhala. Ziku loudspeaker. Ziku loudspeaker. Kausani narana melela. As long as number 1 isibona, na rip.
Resharp, yeah.
Resharp, coach abone wile. Basatobethwa. Basozoshawa strong. Thina si happy. So kunanyento ukuthi angijabulisi mina. Kunendawo yetshwala.
Yeah.
Indaba yetshwala mele addresswe. Ama branch leaders bay address because out of 5 games we never for draw 1. Manje ushawa 1 uphonza uyalwa wangasena so uzodina kulimala umuntu unnecessarily abafana abadlalile ama coast but ama supporters azama control indaba yotshwala indaba yotshwala
because you win some, you draw some, you lose some. Yeah,
mbela uyazi ukuthi Moses Stadium udlala into esi3 I win draw lose whether amakhosi ama Chiefs ama Buccaneers or ama Sundowns indaba yotshwala yasikhawatha.
Yeah, siyabonga kakhulu bafo. Ithingise ubafo la. My brother, how's it?
Ngoba kunjani mfowethu?
Shamjani mfethu?
Yeah, ukhuluma noHanis.
Yeah.
Support elikhulu leSundowns. Kabuyelo. Yebo ngijabulile ukuthi Chiefs edliwe kodwa kunento engikhinyayo Ngcobo engangiphathi kahle emoyeni.
Ngiyazwa.
You know these coaches they come up with their own method. Why do you fix something which is not broken?
Yeah, ngakamosheki.
Remember the team which played against Sundowns here.
Yeah. Exactly, yeah.
Strong and intact, nil draw. Beyihlangene leya team. Uyitshentshelana coach.
Exactly, yeah. Maybe it's because of uMonyane ulimele. Maybe it's because of that. Ngoba like right back, that's why I changed it.
Yo no ngiyazwisisa it's not only Munyane. Uzitha ubeka khona isikhathi sonke lesibedlala kahle.
Yeah.
Yes. Esiswini umshiyelana ucela. Yebo singajabula sithi ukoplosa ama players eChiefs abizwe esquadini but ukhawatha team.
Exactly, yeah.
And they are killing our soccer. Same like uyabona ngizokhuluma ngecoach yami noma bese ngadlali. Siwinile weekend but it's not convincing. Uyazi leli bhola esilidlala yithi dumdum ugcina ungazi ukuthi igoli liqhamuke kuphi. Akulona ibhola lethu. We are not called Shushan and Piano for nothing. And they are not called for love and peace for nothing. Exactly.
Yeah.
But on my side, I'm very happy what Skukune did.
Yeah.
I think we as big teams, we need to learn to respect these teams and not call them the so-called small teams.
Exactly. You don't have to win against the bigger team, especially Chiefs, to win a league.
Yes. And also, shala abancane ukuzokwazi ukuthi kukhuphuka. But at least the Chiefs ibuyelile endaweni yayo la ijwayele ukuhlala khona. That's where they belong. So kufanele bakujabulele lokho ngoba indawo yabo. Ngithema ngiza la stadium Ngcobo abanye bebengitshela bethi sengisalelwe imizuzu emithathu ukuthi ngisuke la ngikhona.
And ususukile ngempela.
Sengisukile ngempela kodwa ikhona into engibatshele yona amakhosi. Ngathi remember nidlala neSundowns. Bidlala neteam abathi isikhukhuna. Team yakhukhuna.
Phezulu.
Yakhukhuna ayitsamile.
Khukhuna bathi isikhukuna sibona ke sibaltada.
And the other thing which I wanna just address. We might be laughing at Chiefs today, but who is next? Who is going to face Kokuni? You need to look at that. Watch the space. But hard luck, Marcos. It's the name of the game.
Congratulations, Sundowns.
Thank you.
Sharp. For your soccer updates, visit www.ngcobo2010sharpeye.com.